Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you one of my favorite side dishes to make, and that's for pepper chicken. So if you love pepper shrimp, you're definitely going to be a fan of this. So to start this recipe, on a skillet on a medium-low heat, I'm adding in some oil. To that oil I'm going to go in with ginger and minced garlic. This is the base and it really adds a lot of flavor. You're going to let that saute in there for about a minute just to soften the garlic. Don't let the garlic burn, so make sure your heat is on low. Now add in your ketchup. Now I like using ketchup for this. If you didn't want to, you can use tomato paste. But this is the true way of making that pepper shrimp sauce. So let that cook in there for about a minute. Now go in with some sugar and some light soy sauce. If you use dark soy sauce, you're going to have to use just a pinch because it can turn this black. Give that a good mix and allow it to continue to cook for a minute or two. Now I'm going to add in my chicken pieces. Now I use chicken, you can use shrimp also. I'm going to season with some Chinese seasoning. And start mixing that together. You want that ketchup sauce to coat the pieces of chicken. Add in 3 pimentos chopped. You could also add hot peppers if you wanted to. And I'm adding in some hot sauce. Give that a good mix and allow that chicken to cook through. It should take about 2 minutes. Next, we're going to add in our vegetables, and I'm using Christophene and sweet peppers first. I'm going to let that cook for 2 minutes. After that, I'm adding in some chopped cucumbers and some chopped onions. I like to maintain a crunch in my onion, hence the reason why that went in after. This is just going to cook for an additional 1 minute. Unless you want your vegetables really soft, cook it until you get the vegetables according to how you like it. So I like to keep my vegetables tender crisp. So this is finished. You want to taste and adjust your salt, and then it's ready to be served. How amazing does this look? This is just my quick go-to recipe when I just want something without starch to eat. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Give it a try, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.